Hello and welcome to the video tip this week. I'm Vanessa Rothwell from Your Online Success. This week I thought we'd have a look at this new tool that I've found recently called Google Insights for Search. Google Insights for Search allows you to compare the search volume patterns across different regions, different categories, different time frames, and also you can use different properties. So basically, I think that it's a really cool tool, especially as speakers, where you might want to be searching for niches and also keywords and things within that niche. That if you're having a website, you'd want to use it to find what kind of words and key phrases that you could target that will get you the traffic and also the interest that you need to be successful in your business. So I think it's worth having a look, even if you're already doing a certain thing, it's worth having a look, and you can maybe see even how you can tweak things a little bit. Probably easiest way to see how you can use Google Insights is to have a look at their examples. First, I'll just let you know how you can actually find Google Insights. Probably the easiest way is if you go to Google and just put in Google Insights and just search that, and you'll see it come up here. It's google.com/insight/search. So either type that in or just search it, and that will take you to this page that we were on. So how you can use this is you put your search term in here, and this is to search by the term, and then you can change if you want to do web search, image search, news search, or product search. Probably just stick to web search. So this is the type of searches people normally doing to find information. And then you can also choose your location. If your audience is mainly in Australia, then you can pick Australia. And if you even have a smaller audience, as in your local business, you might even want to limit down to your state. And then you can also pick a time period, so you can do recent searches, last 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, or 12 months time. So you might want to choose the last 12 months. And then you can also search a category. Probably a really good way to do this is if you're in, say, for example, the beauty industry. Rather than putting a search term in here, you could actually just search this one and see what particular search terms are most frequently sought after in the beauty area in Australia. So let's have a look at that. And so you can see basically a graph that lets you know how the searches have changed over periods of time. And you can also see what kind of things people are actually searching for. And from there you can actually do some more study. And a really cool thing here is it gives you the rising searches. So these are the searches that I guess data-wise is showing to be on the increase. So if it's something related to your field, you could perhaps target that a little bit more and make that useful in your business, in terms of you could write a blog article about it, which would allow you to get a bit more search traffic that way. So you might want to read the article in the last newsletter that I wrote about your website or your blog content, actually in the last video that I did. Or you can also read the article this week, which is on search engine optimization. So you can see how you can actually use these search terms on your website. Now there's a lot of other things you can use this particular tool for, and I must admit I'm only just started using it recently myself, but I can already see how powerful it would be. So if I just click back, oops, too far. Probably another thing you could do that's quite useful is just have a look at their examples, and that will give you a little bit more of an idea of how to use the different types of searches, because you can also search on locations, you can search just on time ranges and things like that. So I would recommend going and checking out and have fun. Here's a good example I had a look at before as well: chocolate ice cream versus vanilla ice cream. So you can actually even compare two different search terms and see what the I guess if you had two different types of things in your business that you want to target, one at one period of time and another at another period of time, you can see when would be the best times to target those particular products or search terms. So I hope you found this tip quite useful. For help with any web design, development, SEO, social networking or graphics, please contact us at youronlinesuccess.com.au, and I'll see you next time.